Hi! For today we are back again to a quick and easy video tutorial on how to change notification sound in Telegram. So with no further ado, let's start. First, make sure your Telegram application is updated. Next, open your Telegram application. Then, tap the three dash lines on the upper left corner. Tap the settings, then find the notification and sounds, and tap that. Then now, tap ringtone, and here you can see different system ringtones. But you can also customize your ringtone. And this is how you change notification sound in Telegram. And now we are done with our tutorial. Let us know in the comment section down below if this video helped you. For more video tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching!